Alright, Shalom Lakah, want to give all praise to Abner Yahweh, Ka'al Lai, Wathur Yad, Hakodashim Shah Yahweh Shalom, Bahasham Yahweh Katwa, Bahasham Mashak Yahweh Shah. This is going to be an article from www.foxnews.com. It says a 7.0 offshore quake rattles Central America. Nicaragua, how do we say that, declares state of emergency. Let's see where this is at. So, okay, I was looking at this Black Friday stuff. Which is Central America. Let's see that on the map. Okay, by Costa Rica, San Juan, Panama. So that's all Honduras. Yeah, that's Central America. Belize. Wow, that's right over there, man. It says magnitude 7.0 offshore quake rattles Central America. Nicaragua, however you said that, declare state of emergency. Then I got a picture right here, which it looked like had a big mudslide or something with water coming down, man. And it messed their little dwelling places up or whatever they're doing over there. Civil defense workers looked the area where a couple was killed after their home was destroyed by a mudslide. Yeah, that's what I said. It looked like a mudslide in Amercian on the outskirts of Panama City. It says civil defense officials in Panama say that the country has already seen 3 deaths blamed on late season tropical storms. A magnitude 7.0 earthquake hit the Pacific coast of Nicaragua and El Salvador on Thursday, promoting tsunami alerts in both Central American nations. The U.S. Geological Survey said the epicenter was about 95 miles, 153 kilometers southwest of the port of El Triunfo in El Salvador. The quake was felt in various points of Central America, including Guatemala and Nicaragua and Costa Rica. She said it's a tsunami alert. There were no immediate reports of damages or injuries. She said that waves 6 feet high might hit the coast. You know what I'm saying? The Most High is making these earthquakes come, man. All right, so you know what I'm saying. The scriptures say the Lord will visit you in earthquakes and storms, man. All right, so that's the Most High visiting this place, and I believe it was another earthquake in Japan the other day, man. All right, so the Most High is not playing, man. Let's see. Oh yeah, magnitude 6.9 earthquake over there by Fukushima in Japan. Okay. Taiwan. Ha. And that's funny because the wine, you know, that's straight Hebrew. But man, that's crazy. Yeah, you had one in Japan too, man. Oh man, you had one in Russia, El Salvador, Taiwan, Japan, New Zealand, Tokyo, Japan, on November 23rd, November 21st, New Zealand. I gotta get the scripture real quick, man. You know what I'm saying? Mashiach Yahushua made prophecies, man. Let's get Luke 21 and 11. Okay? It's Mashiach Yahushua, man. Luke 12 and 11, 21 and 11. We're going to go down to the King James. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places. Okay? And we seeing earthquakes every day, man. New Zealand, Japan, Argentina on November 20th. Okay? Mashiach Yahushua was a prophet, and he prophesied about these earthquakes. Okay, Mark 13 and 8. Let's get Matthew 24. Matthew 24 and 19, it says, for nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines, and pestilence, and earthquakes in diverse places.